Welcome back, nail queens. In today's video I have a very new exciting box of joy from Maniology to show you guys. I'm so excited. I know we're in October and guess what? This is Christmas themed, but mail takes forever to arrive depending on where you're buying it from and shipping it to. So I love that they're launching this earlier in the season so that everyone around the world has the opportunity to snag this box when it launches. And when it launches is October 13th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to get this box, I'm going to link it down below, and I do have an affiliate discount code where it's Carol10. So if you want to save 10% on this box, you also can use that code or link to save some extra money. But I'm so excited for all of my Christmassy nail friends to get this box of joy. I know not everyone's into Halloween the same way that I am, and more people are into Christmas. My husband, he loves Christmas way more than I do. He's a Christmassy person. I'm a Halloween, Falloween kind of person. So anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera over and I'm gonna show you all of the goodies that are in this box, and I'm excited for you guys to get it. All right, so what comes in the box of joy? First of all, look at this packaging. I love that they brand their packaging. Fa la 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 la. And then there's a little note from Maniology. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Deck the halls with nail art and creativity. Maniology's 2023 holiday countdown box is packed with 12 surprise gifts fit for the season. Cue the Christmas music. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. That is so adorable. I love the font that they used. I'm the kind of person that pays attention to these things. I pay attention to fonts, packaging, all that stuff. Now that I'm a small business owner, I do press-on nails. Now that I'm a small business owner, these things mean so much to me. So I'm going to do this video the same way I did for the Halloween box, okay? So I'm going to go through every single item, but I'm going to read aloud the excerpt for that day's item. But before we get into it, I'm going to show you these cute little stickers. Oh, these are so beautiful. I need to do a nail set themed around these colors. These are so gorgeous. Oh, the tissue paper is even branded. I'm so excited to show you. All right, let's get straight into it. I'm going to read the excerpt from day one. Let's read this part first. In Maniology's workshop, the elves worked swift, wrapping up aloha, packing thousands of gifts. But something was missing. They all could agree. They needed tinsel and music and a glowing fir tree. They paused their packing, nail tools set aside, to decorate the workshop with their joy as their guide. Over 12 winter nights, they all came together, bringing Christmas to Hawaii despite the warm weather. Snow didn't fall, but the elves played it cool, etching plates of snowflakes using magical tools. With polish and a stamp on each of their hands, they were whisked away to winter wonderland. So here is day one's item, which is a stamping plate, and here is what it looks like. Sorry that you can see the glare of my camera, so hopefully you can see everything else. We've got snow kisses and snowflakes all around. There's snowflakes everywhere. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. All right, so let's move on to day two. Snowflakes on fingers and twinkling toes. Their nails mesmerized with shimmering glows. Icy blue polish like a frozen dream. They marveled at the sparkle in the magical gleam. So I have a feeling that day two is going to be a beautiful blue polish. Why don't we try to find out? Oh my gosh. And it's called Twinkle Toes. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This is like the most beautiful blue I've seen. That is so stunning. I love this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Day three. To pamper their hands with scents so bright, zesty citron, a pure and fragrant delight. The elves massaged their cuticles with tender, loving care, leaving the workshop with citrus-scented air. I have a feeling that day three is a cuticle oil. What do you guys think? So here it says, I think the bottle was put in upside down, but it says essential cuticle and nail oil. Or maybe they put it in upside down so you don't see what it looks like. Oh, that smells so good. I love that. I'm definitely going to keep this around my nail desk. Day by day, the elves' spirits were revived. Gleaming lights hung with joy in their eyes. Strings of colors adorned with grace, adding magic to the workshop and smiles on each face. That's day 4. So day 4 is a stamping plate. So let's open this up and show you what it, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. A million yeses. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off, okay, that is so cool. They did the little light bulb thing. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. And it's okay if you are someone whose nails are larger than this. You don't have to use the exterior of the light bulb. Just use that part and that part. Just stamp those 2 parts right there. This is so cool. You can have light bulb nails. I actually did some last year and I thought that was really, really cool. This is so freaking cool. I love this. And then I know people who love using designs like this, and you can make them little French tip light bulbs. Oh, and then you put this as a base and stamp that on top of it, and that and that. I'm gonna shut up now, but oh my goodness, you can do light, oh, it's a layering plate. Oh, okay, I'm gonna shut up now. This is so cool. On day 5, the team cleaned the dust from the shelves. "Remember this plate?" exclaimed one of the elves. Flipping through albums, they all reminisced on Bundle Monster plates in nostalgic bliss. If you were not around Maniology like 4 or 5 years ago when they used to be called Bundle Monster, then you probably wouldn't get this reference, but they used to be called Bundle Monster, and I think that's pretty cool. So this is day 5, and I already know what this is. It's a booklet, but I don't know what it looks like. It's a plate holder booklet. And I love the tissue that they used. It's so freaking cute. I cannot handle the cuteness. Oh, they killed it. They killed it. This is so cute. This is so adorable. So if you don't have one of these already, they can hold your stamping plates. And I love this because that means I can put all of my holiday plates in here, especially the ones that I've gotten in this box. This is so freaking cute. I can't stop thinking that's a butt cheek, so I'm sorry. This is so cute. I love this. They did such a great job, and I love that it's like multicolored. This is so freaking cute. Good job, Maniology. Day 6 brought some trouble to the elves' dismay when the lights ceased to shine on their Christmas display. But in galloped Rudolph with a shimmering hue to illuminate the night and fix their lights like new. So here is day 6 item. It's another polish. And I'm gonna open up the packaging. What color do you think it could be? I have a feeling it's a red. It is. It's a sparkly red. It's like red and silver. Oh, what's this called? Rudolph. I should have known. Rudolph. This is so cute. Oh, it's such a beautiful red. Remember, it's like red and silver together. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It's so sparkly. There you guys go. Day 7. Next, they mix cinnamon with sugar so sweet, creating gingerbread men for a break time treat. Pouring milk in their glasses, ideas began to flow for layering plates made out of cookie dough. I have a feeling I know what day 7 is. So based on their descriptions that they're putting in these pamphlets, I love them. So let's open day 7. We've got, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I'm sorry, this is so freaking cute. So they already gave away the hint based on like the gingerbread treats and the layering plates. You get to create your own gingerbread men and cookies and gingerbread cookies. Like, I love this. You can layer that on top of that and that on top of that. Those you have to like reverse stamp if you wanted to. But I love that you can make all these different faces. This is so really cute. I love this. Day 8. They bake and they craft with laughter and cheer, creating gingerbread cookies and nails so dear. Rolling pins and nail stampers, the cookies take form. Manicures baked fresh, fragrant and warm. So day 8's item is a gingerbread man ice cube stamper. It will come in this beautiful packaging. Oh, I just already love the color. It gives me like retro vintage Christmas vibes. And these scrapers and stampers are so perfectly cute. Look at that. That is so adorable. I love how they match. So I get to do all my holiday manis with this scraper in hand. And Stamper, of course. They're so cute. On day 9, the workshop was a total mess. So out with their brooms, the elves gave it their best. Their miraculous touch, like a nails artist's stroke, leaving not a crumb for a mouse to evoke. So here is day 9. I have a feeling this is going to be a brush. Whoa, that is so cute. I love the colors they're picking. Okay. Oh, I should have known by the cleaning up the total mess that this would be a cleanup brush. Oh, this is so cute. And you can clean up like little designs with the other end of the stamper. I actually have one of these from like a previous release, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love cleanup brushes, especially when they're angled and thin like that. They're the best. Day 10. With a heave and a hoe, the elves brought in a tree. It was surely the biggest fir they've all seen. On its lush, fluffy branches, they strung up the lights, topped with a shimmering star. What a sight. So day 10 is another polish. Oh, should have known by fir tree that it would be a green. Oh my goodness. I can tell by the theme of these polishes that it has like a little bit of silver in it, but it turns out to be like really the most beautiful sparkle. So I think they have to put the silver in here so that it will sparkle like that. It's such a beautiful color. I am adoring this. This is so freaking cute. Day 11. With golden tinsel, their trees sparkled and gleamed. Just a pinch more glitter, like a hollow daydream. A few extra strands for the final touch, and a manicure to match. Or is it too much? Here is day 11. It is a holographic golden glitter. Oh my gosh, that is definitely hollow. So hollow gives you that rainbow kickback when it flashes in the light. I'm not gonna open the container, but this is so freaking cute. You can see I already got glitter all over me. That is so freaking cute. In a workshop adorned on the very last night, their smiles seemed brighter, their tasks felt light. Knowing that teamwork held the Christmas key, each gift wrapped in joy for Maniology. I love that. These rhyme so well. Day 12 is a final stamping plate. Oh my gosh, what could this be? Oh, that is so cute. It's another layering plate. I love layering plates. They're the best. I think they're the easiest to work with. So you have the base color. You just paint it like if you wanted this to be green and the outline to be black, or the outline to be white or completely different color. The stockings, you can make them all different colors if you wanted to, and here's the outlines. And then you have stockings, bears, globes, all the most beautiful things. Wildlife, more wildlife, bears, Santa Claus. That's a beautiful plate. I love that they made these layering plates. That is so special. As the very last gift was laid under the tree, the elves made a wish for the nail community. We hope all of our polish, art tools, and nail plates will always help to inspire, empower, and create. So if you need inspiration for how to use all of the designs that came in here, they always include some kind of inspiration either on their website or in their pamphlets, and they have a little how-to. So if you decide to gift this box to a friend or a family member, they too can learn how to do this at home, which is really, really nice. And then here it shows you all of the products that came in this box, and then if it has an asterisk next to it, it is an exclusive item to the box. So we're gonna go through and find out exactly what is exclusive to the box. So day 5, the Gleaming Lights Mini Nail Plate Organizer. That one is exclusive. So it will not be releasing at a later date. But guess what? It looks like the stamping plates will be releasing later on. The Gingerbread Man Ice Cube Stamper and the stamp scraper card are exclusive to the box. Limited edition dual-ended pencil stamper and cleanup brush is also exclusive to this box. And the Tinsel Gold Hollow Glitter. So, if you guys cannot live without these 4 items, these will be exclusive to the box and you can shop the box down below. But if you are okay with buying these items separately, you're gonna have to wait until, I think it's like a month or month and a half. They release the items individually later on after the launch of the box. So I know for the Halloween box, it launched in August and they released the items individually mid-September. So if you want these are probably going to release, no, I don't know the exact date. They're probably going to release in November. Here's also some more instructions on how to take care of your products in case you don't know how to use them or you don't know how to use the glitter. And there's ingredients for the cuticle oil because I know a lot of people have allergies. So if you are allergic to any of these items, here is what is in the cuticle oil. This is so cool. I love this. Jingle all the way. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, I love this. I love this box. It's so freaking cute. And I just love these colors and these stamping polishes. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, they really did such a great job with these polishes. I love these colors. And they go together so nicely too. They're so stunning. So comment down below in the comment box. Let me know. I'm sorry, I'm wearing Halloween nails right now. Let me know what items you're so excited about. Which was your favorite? There's tons of items in here that I love. I love, love, love so much. My favorite item is probably this one. This is my personal favorite. I love it. Okay, yeah. So comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite item from this box. I cannot wait for it to release and for everyone to be able to get their hands on it. So definitely check it out. Let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I always appreciate the support. So if you liked this video, okay, bye glitter. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely hit subscribe if you like this. So you want to see more sneak peeks on new releases and you want to see demos on how to do certain like nail art designs and all that. Definitely hit subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!